Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar in Monopoly Go using the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, launch the game open on your mobile device and then, from the home page, tap on the three lines or the hamburger menu button at the top right corner. Now you will end up in this expanded menu where you'll need to tap on your profile avatar right above your name at the top. Now you can select a new avatar from the available avatars on the list. Tap on one of the avatars you'd like to change to and click on Save. If you have connected your Monopoly Go account with Facebook, then whichever profile picture you have on your Facebook account will be shown on your Monopoly Go avatar as well. So that's how you easily change or update your avatar on Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.